Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we insert PDF in AutoCAD. To insert PDF in AutoCAD, the command will be PDF attach. Here you can see the second one is the for PDF attach. Just press space. Here it is asking me the path. I'll give the path here, the saved PDF, and I click open. Then you can select the PDF you want to attach. Just click attach here like this and gonna scale like this, and now you can see the PDF is attached in AutoCAD. So this is the way you can attach PDF in AutoCAD. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.